Hello students, Mrs. Van Sickle here with a brief tutorial how to set up your Simple Show explainer video. Simple Show is set up into scenes, and for each scene you will have a corresponding slide in your sequential text Google Slides rough draft. So first things first, you're going to log on. If you haven't already created your account, which you should have done, that was video number 1. You're going to log on, and after you log on, you can see your login information in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down a bit and click on the orange Create New Video icon. Very important, we have to give this file a name. So you are going to type your first name and your last name and whatever your sequence process is. And then click on Write Your Own Script. And then a bunch of templates will appear in front of you. You're going to scroll down to the one about starting or sharing a recipe because that has the most scenes in it. It has 9 scenes to start with. Now, if you have more than 9 slides in your Google presentation, that's fine. In your rough draft, that's fine. We can add those scenes later. So you're going to start going back, you're going to go back to your Google presentation, highlight your title, boom, click on scene 1, paste, automatically saves. And of course, put your first name and your last name there. Going to go to scene 2, but then you're going to go back to your Google slide presentation, slide number 2, and again, you're just copying whatever you drafted from slide 2, boom, paste it right into scene 2. You're going to continue to do that for the rest of your slides. So let's say your rough draft, your sequential text structure rough draft has 11 slides, but this Simple Show program only has 9. I can show you how to add additional scenes later. We need to first click on that visualize images link. And this might take up to a minute because my Simple Show is creating images based upon some keywords from your rough draft. If you scroll down, you can see in blue the keywords that my Simple Show thought were important. We can change those later, however. Right now, we just want to add some more scenes. So you're going to go all the way down to that very last scene, and you'll see a plus sign. And then click on that. Go back to your rough draft. Again, highlight the text that you have drafted, copy it, paste it into the new scene, and make sure you hit save. You can keep adding on. You can do that for as many additional scenes as you need. Just make sure that you hit that save button, and then My Simple Show will again identify some significant words and create some images. And you are not committed to those images. We can change those, and I will show you how to change those and delete scenes if you have extra scenes in the next instructional video.